How to do slow motion in Reelshot. Highlight key moments and add a cinematic dots to your videos by applying slow motion in Reelshot. This guide will show you how easily you can slow down your footage for a dramatic and impactful effect. In your open Reelshot project, tap on the video clip on the timeline that you wish to slow down. This will select the clip and bring up its editing options, just like this. Look for the speed tool icon in the editing toolbar. It often looks like a speedometer or shows 1x. Tap on the icon to open the speed adjustment controls. You will see a speed slider or present options. To create slow motion, drag the slider to a value less than 1x. For example, 0.5x or 0.25x. Here, we have slow-mo and time-lapse version. Just click on 4x slow motion. Let's check the preview. Tap Turn or Apply to confirm. Your video now has a stunning slow motion effect. You've successfully created slow motion in Reelshot. Make impactful moments last longer. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot cinematic tips.